4 years later in Athens, I officially fell in love with the sport.
Like I'm on my tiptoes, baby. You think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Ain't where the money.
The event had most of the swimming superstars I knew. Michael Phelps, Ian Thorpe, Fréd Bousquet, Michael Klim, Eamon Sullivan, Filippo Magnini, Alexander Popov, Jason Lezak, and Pieter van den Hoogenband, and to my surprise, none of them won. Roland Schoeman began competitive swimming when he was 16 years old. He says his motivation was a girl he liked and wanted to impress her with his skills. 6 years later, he became NCAA champion while swimming for the University of Arizona. 2 years later, he and 3 of his teammates made it to the final of the 4x100 relay. Since Roland Schoeman opened the relay with a new world record, the camera stopped focusing on the swim star's spectacle on the other lanes. I don't know if it was because I'm also from a third world country, or if I already had a feeling that one of my closest friends in college would be from South Africa. Perhaps it was the feeling of watching the bests in the world being destroyed by a country with many disadvantages, problems, and with a lot of heart. Maybe it was just this celebration. But this is when I learned that swimming is more than just an exercise. In the following Olympics, things got a little more tense. The supersuits arrived and all the world records were falling. The story of the most epic relay in history will be available here in 48 hours. If you missed the second most epic relay in history, click here. Or visit our webpage by clicking here. See you there. Swim fast.